This is a Mitaki-Japan hand crank wind up flashlight, so you don't ever need batteries. I bought this in 2004. It's currently 2012. It's worked great ever since then. I've taken many places on trips around the world. I've used it in boats, cars, for working on stuff outside and hot, cold, and it's always worked great. You just take it and the crank is attached to it. You just turn it really easy, and once you turn it for about 60 seconds, 60 seconds later, you just push the button on top and it comes right on. And this one has two settings, a high and a low setting, and once you put on high, 3 LEDs light up, and once you put on low, just one lights up. So I recommend this Mitaki-Japan hand crank wind up flashlight.